In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to close Google Chrome without closing tabs. This quick setup ensures that the next time you open Chrome, all the tabs you were working on come back automatically, so you can pick up right where you left off. Start in Google Chrome and go to the menu in the top right corner of the window. Click the 3 vertical dots to open the main menu. From there, choose Settings. This opens a new tab where you can control how Chrome behaves. In the Settings page, look for the On Startup section. Depending on your layout, you may see it listed in the left sidebar or as a section you can scroll to. Open on Startup, then select the option labeled Continue where you left off. This tells Chrome to remember your open tabs and windows when you close the browser and to restore them the next time you launch it. It's a set and forget preference, so you only need to turn it on once. Keep in mind that private browsing sessions like incognito windows are not restored by design, and the setting applies per Chrome profile. Once that option is selected, close the Settings tab so you're back on your regular browsing tabs. This tidies up your workspace and confirms you're seeing your normal session again. Now close Chrome. Use whatever method you prefer. Click the close button on the window or quit the application from the menu. Make sure Chrome is fully closed, not just minimized, so the restart test is accurate. Next, open Chrome again. Because you selected Continue where you left off, Chrome will reload the tabs and windows you had open before you closed it. You should see your session come right back, allowing you to continue working without hunting for pages or reopening sites manually. That's the entire process. With this setting enabled, you can safely close Chrome at the end of the day or during a restart and return to the same set of tabs later. A few notes to keep things smooth. Restoring tabs depends on the last clean shutdown, so force quitting or system crashes might show a slightly different recovery prompt. Also, clearing browsing data or using extensions that manage sessions can change how tabs are restored. And that's it. You've set Chrome to reopen exactly where you left off, so closing the browser won't cost you your work. Thanks for watching and enjoy a more seamless browsing routine.